How to create Crunchyroll account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to create Crunchyroll account. Do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to install and download Crunchyroll account or applications on your device. Now tap open button to open, and then you will reach on this kind of section that is the welcome screen of Crunchyroll. Here you got the two options, that is login or create account. To create account, tap create account link at the bottom of the screen. Enter your email and password. And you need to check mark this small box so that you will or get the latest Crunchyroll info, offers and news. So let's enter all of these credentials. Now tap the create account button. If you wish to subscribe with free trial, tap on it and you can get 7 days free trial. If you want to skip, tap skip for now. And here, you need to select or add profile. If you wish to, so for now, let's select our own profile. And now tap allow so that we can allow Crunchyroll to send us notifications. And here, you can easily introduce the cast using the cast icon at top right corner. Now you have reached to the home screen, and when you go to account at bottom right corner, here we got our account. So that is it. I hope this video worked for you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.